Hey learner, this is Nilesh Borate. So in this video we will see that how to run your Kotlin first program and see the brief description about the first program. So Android Studio is designed for the Android development, which means that the projects it creates are intended to be run on an Android device, not on your computer now. So it is possible though to get the Android Studio to compile and run the pure Kotlin code. But Android Studio is based on the IntelliJ IDEA. So everything will work just as is in the videos. So just Kotlin program also run in an Android Studio, but here we run by using different ways. So there are two ways. First one, see that by using the online compiler. So here we open the browser and here this is my Google and here I search Kotlin Playground, enter. So click here the first link, Kotlin Playground. So this is the online editor or the online sandbox to explore the Kotlin programming language. So by using this we can edit, run or share the Kotlin code by using online editor. So click here. So this is your online editor. So type here code and click here this run button. You can easily test your Kotlin program. So in this course we develop the Android application by using the Kotlin language. But initially we just introduce what is the Kotlin. So by using few programs of Kotlin, there is no need to run the extra software on your machine. So use simply this online editor and test some basic programs. But if you want to run the external software on your machine, then see here how to run that. So again going to Google and here simply type the JetBrains. So this is your first link, JetBrains Developer Tools. So click here. So see tools. So IntelliJ IDEA, click here. So this is a tool which are used to run your Kotlin programs. So click here download and download here community version and double click and run these applications and open this project and run your programs. But here we not learn the pure Kotlin programming language. We just only test or revise this concept which are using in an Android development tutorial. So for next few videos or next few programs, there is no need to download and run the extra software. So my preference is that you simply use the online editor and run your programs. So here again I use the google.com and here use the Kotlin Playground and use this simple online editor. So unlike Java, you don't need to create a class to hold your Kotlin code. Like C, C++, Java, Kotlin also have one main function and program execution start from this main function. So see here function declaration syntax. So this is your function declaration syntax. If you run your the Kotlin as a first time, then this is not appear there. Only main function is run here. If you run this code, see this is your output. But on some previous versions or other editor, so this is a parameter as a main function. So like Java, public static void main in bracket string args. So this is the argument array. If I have added to this program, then see here again run this code. This is hello world. There is not an error. So when you learn Kotlin, then main method used compulsory. But when we use Kotlin in Android Studio, then there is no need to main method because we use Kotlin language to develop the Android application using the Android lifecycle. So see, this is the syntax keyword of a fun, means that the func. So they define the function, and our function called, my function name is that the main. Then everything between this opening and the closing brace is your the function definition code. So println function to print the message on your output screen, and this message is enclosed in its double quotes. So here main function, which is called the another function println, to print the text that we give it. The arguments are the value that you provide to function to give them the information that you want them to work with. Println function needs to know what to print, and we tell it by giving it as a string of characters as a parameter. So let's run this program and see the output. So this is your output, hello world. So here we add the one more statement println, and this is the Nilesh technology. So run here, see the output hello world and Nilesh technology. If you forget this closing bracket, then see this is the red line. So if you give the cursor to this red line, see this is the compile time error expecting closing bracket. So like this online editor, Android Studio will also display this type of errors. So this is the red mark, see here, this is the expecting closing bracket, here also expecting closing bracket. So here we give closing bracket and then we run this code. So on next video we will see that what is the variables and the data types. So if you have any queries, then comment on our query in comment box. Likes and subscribe the channel. See you on next video. Thank you.